talk a lot. Today we are going to discuss a very important test that's called GRS test. Mostly asset pricing model papers use this GRS test. Uh, we will try to test this GRS test in Stata. Okay, before starting, you must install GRS test. Simple SSC install GRS. It will install the software. Here, remember please, you will have to provide portfolio return plus risk-free rate, and this process itself is going to calculate the excess return. Means it is itself going to deduct risk-free rate. Okay, risk-free rate you will have to provide separately. These are the data requirements. You must have portfolio return or stock returns. Here we have 25 portfolios. That's why P1 portfolio 1, portfolio 2, and so on. Then you must have risk-free rate. Here we have risk-free rate as well. Uh, Risk premium or factors, you can say market size, value, profitability, investment. It depends upon a single factor, yeah, CAPM, or from a French three-factor model, or from a French five-factor model, momentum, adjusted, whatever. Okay, these are the models simply. Capital asset pricing model, single factor model, as well as we have one French three-factor model, and so on. All because this GRS test is based on model, that's why you will have to test this GRS based on these three model: Fama French three-factor model, Fama French five-factor model. Okay, let's come on. Start with the data. First of all, you must have a GRS concern data file. Let me share the data first because it's very important. We have a risk-free rate here. Okay. Then we have portfolios return. That's portfolio 1, 2, 3, and so on until it's reached to 25 portfolios. Okay. We have 25 portfolios. Suppose profitability, investment, momentum, size factor, value factor, liquidity factor. Okay, market factor depends upon your model, the model you are going to choose. Okay. Okay, before starting, you must first of all use a time series month of data because the data we have on monthly basis. That's why you will have to first of all use this monthly data. Then what you have actually for every individual model, you will have to use separate GRS test. Now look at this. Now I have this command. First of all, GRS test portfolio 1, portfolio 2, and so on until portfolio 25. If you have 5 portfolios, you can use up to this 5. We have 25 portfolios, that's why I just put all the 25 portfolios written here, comma, F list. These are the factor list. Okay, first of all, we have CAPM, so market is the only one factor. RET, this is R. Now look at this onward. From a French three-factor model, again the same method, but here you will have to use three factor like market factor, size factor, and value factor. Otherwise, nothing is being changed. Just only these factors are being changed. Okay. Then we have GRS test for Pharma French five-factor model as well. Uh, this is basically five-factor model. Sorry for that. Okay, and then we changed market, size, value, profitability, and investments. Two additional factors we include. Okay, so let's try it. First of all, I'm going to copy, or you can say directly execute from here. Look at the results. Here we have p-value. This is the p-value for capital asset pricing model CAPM, single factor model. Then I'm going to choose the second model, and I'm going to apply this GRS test on second model from a French three-factor model. Execute. These are the values, p value, okay, for Fama French three-factor model. And then I'm going to execute the same model for a five-factor model. These are the results. If you check this out, based on p value, we will have to take action. Like for CAPM, that is 0.22. For Fama French three-factor model, it is 0.23. And 0.225, the p value is for Fama French five-factor model. So double 0.225, 0.229. So here we have Fama French five-factor model, which is close to zero. That's why that would be a better model. Like we have interpretation. Suppose the closer the p value to the zero, the better would be the model. For more detail, you can read the GRS test paper. Okay. Uh, our results like CAPM suppose CAPM shows p-value 0.36629. From a French three-factor model shows p-value 0.2394, and from a French five-factor model shows p-value 0.225. It shows that here, as compared to other models, Fama French five-factor model produce better results in terms of p-value, which is closer to zero. That's how we interpret the results as well. For more detail, please read the paper, and I hope that would be understandable and convenient. Thank you so much. Best of luck. For any comments, please like and comment.